Hello, in this recording we're going to show you how to add data analysis as one of the tools in your Excel. You should only have to do this one time for your computer. If you're working on an Excel sheet and you want to use some of the data analysis tools, if you go under Data tab, on the right what you want to see is this data analysis tool link. If it is not there, then follow these steps to add it. The steps are along in this yellow box. You're going to go to File, Options. In the Options window, go to Add-ins. You'll see here that Analysis Toolpack and Analysis Toolpack VBA are listed already for me. That's because I have it already set up. But if you do not, you should not see these here. Go down to Manage and Go. You may see that these two boxes are not selected. Select them both and hit OK. And when you return to this screen, under Data, you should see this Data Analysis option. Thank you.